Are you having a Snapchat zoom problem? We can help you fix it. Welcome to xpat. My name is Norm. Okay, let's get into it. Open up Play Store. Select the profile icon on the top right of the screen. Select Manage Apps and Device. Check to see if there is a message stating there are apps that need updating. Update your apps. Go back to the home screen. Select the Settings gear icon. Select Apps. Select Snapchat. Select Storage. Select Clear Cache. Select OK. Go back one screen. Select Force Stop. Select Force Stop. Go back to home screen. Open Snapchat. Check to see if it works. If it is still not working, select the profile icon on the top left of the screen. Select the Settings gear icon on the top right of the screen. Select Lenses under Privacy Controls. Select Clear all lens data. Select Clear. Snapchat's zoom problem is now fixed. If you found this video helpful, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.